Hello, my name is Muhammad Said Pratama. I am a student at Bina Sarana Informatika. My ID number 1524114 from class 15-2A01. In this presentation, first I will explain about software and operating system. What is software? Software is a set of instructions or commands that run programs on a computer. It works using programming language such as Visual Basic and C++. Originally, software was created for specific computers. In the 180s, it was sold on floppy disk, then evolved to CDs or DVDs, and now can be downloaded directly from the internet. Although it has no physical form, software is essential for hardware to function, but depend on each other. Type of software. System software manage and control computer hardware. Example: operating system, Windows, Linux, macOS, device driver, and system utilities. Application software designed to help users perform specific tasks. Example: Microsoft Word, Excel, web browser, accounting software. Programming software used by developers to write, test, and maintain programs. Example: compilers, text editors, debuggers. Driver software allow the OS and other software to communicate with hardware. Example: printer drivers, graphic card drivers. Middleware acts as a bridge between the operating system and application. Example: database middleware, web middleware. Utility software help analyze, configure, optimize, and maintain the computer. Example: antivirus software, disk defragmenters, backup tools. What is operating system? Operating system is system software that manages hardware and software resources, acting as a bridge between user application and the computer hardware. Without an OS, users cannot run application program except for basic booting. The OS handles tasks such as memory management, data processing, storage, input or output operation, and resource allocation. Operating systems are found in almost all devices with computer, from smartphone and gaming console to supercomputer and web server. Main function of an operating system: memory management, control and allocate system memory, RAM. Processing management, manage running application and multitasking. File system management, organize, store, and retrieve file. Hardware control, coordinates the use of input or output device. Data security, protects data from unauthorized access and threats. Popular types of operating system. First, Microsoft Windows. One of the most well-known OS developed by Microsoft. It is user-friendly and supports a wide range of applications, making it a top choice for many users. Linux, an open-source OS popular among developers and server environment, known for its high security and flexibility to modify the system freely. macOS, an exclusive OS for Apple devices, famous for its elegant interface and strong performance in creative activation. Previously in topic 1, I explained about software. Now in topic 2, I will continue by explaining the hardware components. What is hardware? In the world of information technology, hardware refers to the physical component of a computer system that can be touched and felt. Unlike software, which is digital, hardware includes all tangible devices that support a computer system. Hardware performs tasks controlled by software and includes input device, example keyboard, mouse, output device, example monitor, printer, storage device, example hard drive, SSD. In short, hardware is the physical backbone of a computer system that enables interaction between users, firmware, and software. Function of hardware. Receiving input. Hardware has the function of receiving input from user. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Providing output. Hardware provides output to user after processing input data. Example, monitor, printer, speaker. Processing information and data. Hardware process data to generate output. This output is typically storage in the computer storage device. Example, CPU, RAM, storing information and data. Hardware also store processed data for future use or retrieve file. Example, hard drive, SSD. Types of hardware. Output hardware. Output device display the results of processing instruction. This device allows used to view and understand the processed data. Example, monitor, printer, speaker. Input hardware. Input device receive data from users such as text, image, or audio and transfer it into the computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Processing hardware. Processing device acts as the brain of the computer. Processing information and data, they convert input into output based on user interaction. Example, CPU, GPU. Storage hardware. Storage device save data information for the future access. They allow user to refresh data whenever needed. Example, hard drive, SSD, USB, flash drive. Example of hardware. Microphone. A device that captures sound waves and convert them into electrical signal and enabling audio communication on computer. Example, used for video call or voice recording. Camera. A device that capture visual image and transmit them to a computer or network. Example, webcam for video conferencing. Keyboard. An input device that allows you to type text, number, and special character into the computer. Example, used for typing document and comment. Hard drive or HDD provide long-term data storage holding the operation system, application, and user files. CPU, central processing unit, acts as the brain of the computer, processing instruction and manage tasks. Motherboard, the main circuit board connecting all hardware components, facilitating communication between them. Monitor, display visual output from the computer, allowing user to interact the system. RAM, random access memory, temporary memory that stores data for active process, enabling quick access and multitasking. SSD, solid state drive, a faster, more reliable storage device compared to traditional HDD, improving boot time and data access spans. Okay, thank you.